builders picked the wrong steel ones, cost me $2,000 in rework. These two look the same, but they're not. 3 minutes and you'll never mess up again. First, the channel. It's a tough U shape. Thick web, flanges pointing inward. Watch this. I pull hard and it doesn't budge. Super rigid. Channels are heavy lifters. Truck frames, main building supports, anywhere you need to hold 2+ extra tons, handle saws from all directions. Quick recap. Channel equals to strong in all directions, standalone use. C-purling equals to strong along its length, works in systems, and cost. C-purling saves you 15%, big deal. Next time you need steel, channels for strength, C-purling for savings, no more guesswork. Got a project? DM me steel tip, and I'll send you this free guide to avoid mistakes. And if you need samples, I can hook you up too. Check quality yourself.